You want to break into investment banking but don't know what skills are required, like what skills actually need for. Today I'm sharing the top 5 skills that will help you to get into the IB career or get the IB offer letter at a very fast pace. So getting into investment banking is not just about a degree or GPA. It's about proving you have the practical skills to add the value from a day one. Here's what you need to focus on. Financial modeling. So first one is a financial modeling. You need to know like how to build a 3-statement model, DCF, LBO model, merger model quickly, accurately. This is the bread and butter in IB. Valuation techniques, master trading comps, transaction comps, DCF, understanding how to value companies across the industry. This will be a key skill for you. Excel mastery, shortcut keys, advanced formulas, data analysis, clear formatting matters. Deep speed and accuracy in the Excels are critical in IB. PowerPoint skills. You'll spend a lot of time in preparing the pitching or pitch decks, prepare presentation for the clients, clean slides, clear visible storytelling. Consistencies are essential. And then there's a networking. Like networking is a key to getting the interviews, and your communication skills will be tested in the client interactions and team decisions. So you can say that. Next one is an action plan to build the skills. Here's how you can build these skills even if you're a student. Take the online financial modeling courses on the platforms like Udemy, Wall Street Prep, etc. You can go for the practical building sessions, like the real model of the companies, or you can test out the real financial model of the companies. That will be helpful for you. And apart from that, like use the Investopedia, merger acquisitions, and financial modeling world championship resource. That will be helpful for you. Networking on LinkedIn by reaching out to the analysts, associates for the coffee chats. That will be quite helpful for you. To help you speed up, I have built a complete Notion template that includes a step-by-step learning roadmap for the IB, valuation and modeling courses, networking email script, daily practice tracking, etc. And if you want, like both IB and PE can be change your life, and you can go anyone, but these are the good for analyzing. And if you are just focusing on the GP and the LinkedIn keywords, you will get stuck. Because focus on these top skills, you will have a chances of clear the super days. So that will be a good for that. And start with the LinkedIn learning or YouTube first for the Excel basics. Then build up to the financial modeling courses. Pair it with the reading out the deals in Economic Times, Bloomberg to understand the real world context. That will be good for you. And use these tips to get the better engagement of the market collaterals, market paragraphs, and apart from that the market the analysis for them. So that will be quite interesting for you to get into the investment banking, and that will be definitely to make your career path in that. And if you are really looking for the funding for the startup and break into investment banking, then iBank is the guy for you. You can visit the website www.ibankers.com. You can find out the multiple resources for the free templates. Let's meet in the next video.